Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll go ahead and I'll show you how to install, create, and set up an email account on Thunderbird. So first thing you want to do is go to mozilla.org/en-us/Thunderbird, or just go to the good old Google and type in Thunderbird, and you'll see the first link in the results page for the Thunderbird, Mozilla Thunderbird. You'll click that and then you'll end up on this landing page. After which you want to click on the free download. And this is the explanation of what you have to do when the download completes. So here we go. We'll go ahead and we'll click on our exe file. We'll click on the run. It's going to extract all the files. So we'll give that a second. And we'll continue. My little pop-up is shown here on the different monitor. So we'll go ahead and we'll install it using the default settings and launch Thunderbird now. And move this over again. No, don't import anything. If you wanted to, you could choose to import your previous settings. Let's see if we can move this over. This is a pop-up I get, so I want to skip integration. And again, I have to move it over. I'm going to just say use my existing. And let me see if I can move it. There we go. Alright, so that's the Thunderbird. Okay, now that we have the Thunderbird running, next up is to add our email account so we can send or receive emails. So let's click on the Thunderbird menu, and under options we want to go into account settings. Now for the account settings, we want to click on account actions all the way in the left bottom corner and click on add mail account. Now, your name is going to be whatever your recipients are going to see when you send them an email. So this can be your full name, this can be your company name with your name, however you like to do that. That is totally up to you. We'll type in our email address, we'll copy paste our password, and we'll click on continue. Now we want to click, it's very important to click on the manual configuration, and we want to change under the manual configuration our settings. So first up is we want to change the incoming to POP3 because we want to receive all the emails at our desktop. If we were doing this on our phone, for example, and we wanted our phone not to download emails, we wanted to synchronize it when we get back into our office and sit down by our desktop computer, we still want to see those emails. Then on the phone, we would set it up as an IMAP, but on our desktop office computer, we would set it up as POP3. So since we're setting this up as POP3 on our desktop, that's what we want to use. So in this case scenario, we're typing in the server host name, which is the mail.Filucci. Now for the port, we want to change that to 110 and 587 for the outgoing port. For the password, we want to put in normal password for both of them, and we don't want any SSLs since we don't have SSLs installed on this particular account. Now we want to click on retest, and that's going to go in and test our settings are correct. When that's done, we can click on done. And this is the Thunderbird's warning message that we're not using the SSL encryption, which is fine. And we'll click on OK. Now you are in your inbox. Now what we can do next is write a new message. Now let me just bring that over from my other screen. And we'll send ourselves an email with a subject test. We'll click on the send button. Your message was sent. We'll go to our inbox, click on get messages, and there it is. So our test has successfully been sent, and we know that our settings work. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Hopefully you were able to follow through, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below.